Welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is clean with me. We're gonna clean the kitchen and the bedroom, and also I bought a Swiffer and it's unboxing, so it's my first time using that for the new floors, so stay tuned. Enjoy. Clean the floors, and this is the first time I purchased the Swiffer, and the first time that I actually cleaned the new floors, and it's the wood floors. Sophia's here. Say hi, Sophia. Say hi. Yes. Well, I bought the Swiffer and I'm gonna try it on the new floors, and this is a dry and wet, so this is how it looks like. I haven't opened it yet, and supposedly this one includes 7 dry cloths and 3 wet ones, and the dry cloths supposedly traps and locks dirt, hair, and you know, I'm excited to use this, right, Sophia? Are you excited to use it?
No.
No? Well, I'm excited.
No.
Even if Sophia's not excited. But I'm going to see how this works. And it actually shows you, the dry and the wet cloth, how they look like, or where you can get them. You can get them anywhere, Walmart, Walgreens, or anywhere. Any groceries, they sell them everywhere. And also what they have dust, the vacuum, and the wet jet. I haven't purchased these because I want to try this first, and if I really like it, I'll just keep this. But in mine, I do want to get these right here. I actually want to get the wet jet. I want to know if anyone got this one, or which type you use for the wooden floors, or which type of you know, Swiffer or, you know, to sweep the floors, let me know in the comment down below which ones you use or which ones is best, so that way I can see or pick out for the floors. But for right now, I'm gonna go with this and see how that works. Stay tuned. Well guys, I installed everything from the stick. It has 3 sticks and it clips. As you can see, it clips on these things. And you put a little cloth and it's easy to put on. You just press it there, push it in there, and it's just like that. So for me, overall, it's good. It goes basically everywhere and it turns, and you can get on under the bed or anything, and it's actually easy and it's so good on your floors. You can get like mini stuff on the floors, and also it comes with the wet ones, and you can feel it's squishy because it's wet. So I'm excited to use this. But for now, I'm using the cloth, and it's also good. I feel that's good. So I'll be using this and see how that works. Well guys, I explained y'all about the Swiffer, and I liked it. And I like the colored screen. But overall, it's good. Well guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and also click that notification button on so you won't miss the fun. Well, until next time, bye. Bye.